For the second problem, it says find the missing value, and we have this equation. And the first thing that I noticed is that I have variables on both sides, and I also have constants on both sides. And so, although this one looks confusing, we can actually start wherever we want, and it's a good place to start. So you can start with anything. So I'm going to walk through your 4 options for how to start this problem, and whichever one you chose will make your steps a little bit different, but I'm going to kind of show you at least one way so you have an idea of any mistakes you made. So the first thing I'm going to do is draw a line down my equal sign so it's really clear what's on which side. And then I can start by moving any of these things. So if I start by moving the 7x is positive, so I would want to subtract 7x from both sides, from here and from here. So that's one option. My second option is to get rid of the minus 8 by adding 8, and I would add 8 to here and to here. My third option is to get rid of the minus 3x by adding 3x to here and to here. And my final option is to get rid of the plus 27 by subtracting 27 to both sides, here and here. And so those are our options. I personally like to get rid of the negatives if I can. So I'm going to start by moving this minus 3x to the other side and adding 3x to both sides. And remember, you only add it to the like term. And so I have 7x plus 3x gives me 10x. I still have minus 8 that I didn't do anything with. Those are canceled, and I'm left with 27 on this side. So now this is the part where now you've forced yourself to follow a specific path. And so here I have to choose to move one of these two things because this is all by itself, so we don't want to move it. And we're basically deciding which one of these is friends with 27, and that's the one we want to move. So in this case, I have 10x, I have minus 8. Minus 8 is our like term with 27. They are both constants, and so we want to move the 8 by adding 8 to both sides, and we get 10x equals 35. And our final step is to get rid of that 10 by dividing by 10, and we get x equals 3.5. And so no matter which step you started with at the beginning, your steps would differ, but your end answer should be 3.5. And that is this bubble.